Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another fun video. And yeah, I know it makes no sense for me to be showing you guys new methods to sneak food into class when most of you are in quarantine or lockdown because of the coronavirus and not at school. But I got bored, so I decided to make this video anyway because eventually you'll all have to go back to school and these methods will come in handy then for when you get hungry in class. And just a heads up, all these school supplies that I used in this video are from the dollar store, so I didn't spend much money on these. But anyway guys, before we get started with these hacks, I want to announce a couple of giveaways for this video. Let's say this video happens to get 2,000 likes, then I will choose someone from the comments randomly and that person will get a box filled with some yummy snacks. And if this video gets 8,000 likes, I will give away a brand new Nintendo Switch to that person. And as you can tell, I did lower the like goal for the Nintendo Switch because I really want to give away one of these to somebody. So I really hope we reach those like goals. And to enter these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me what you missed the most about going to school. Remember that everybody's eligible to participate no matter what your age is or where you live. As long as you like and comment on this video, you're good to go. One last thing guys, please help me reach 2 million subs by subscribing to this channel. Alright then, with all that being said, let's get these hacks going. Alright, seeing that it's almost Easter guys, I thought that this hack would come in handy. Now I know that a lot of you guys probably wouldn't be at school during Easter because it falls on a Sunday. But throughout the week you guys can actually carry one of these Easter bunnies and it wouldn't matter. And if they ask what that's for, you tell them, hey, I'm celebrating Easter coming up soon. Well anyway guys, this Easter bunny right here, I also got at the dollar store. And what I like about it is that it's fluffy and it's got plenty of cotton in there. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take out the cotton from this bunny, unfortunately for him. But that's okay, he'll take one for the team because he wants me to not starve in class. So I'll turn him over and on his back, close to his butt, I'm gonna make an incision. I'll just take my trusty scissors and start to cut all throughout his back. Now I have access to the inside of this bunny and I'm gonna take this big chunk of cotton because we don't need it in there. We'll be replacing this with something else. And guess what guys, we are gonna be replacing this cotton. And I know it might sound a little dumb, but hear me out guys, it's not any regular cotton, it's cotton candy. So this I also got at the dollar store and it was like right next to it. So I'm guessing the dollar store wanted me to show you guys how to sneak this in to class. So let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. So we can't put this whole thing in there, but guys, if you do find a bigger bunny, obviously you'll be able to fit more cotton candy in there. But as for me, this will do. And I'll just take a baggie. This is a sandwich bag. And I'll take a good portion of this and stash it inside the baggie. And just so you guys know, if you haven't had cotton candy ever, this stuff is packed with sugar. It's really sweet, so if you're starving, this will do the trick and it'll calm your hunger. So I'm gonna compact it in just a little. I don't wanna ruin the fluffness of it. I just wanna be able to make sure that it fits inside my bunny. And I'm not gonna tie the bag either. I'm gonna make it accessible for myself so that I can easily grab it when I'm hungry. So that works for me, and now I can put it inside the bunny. You guys can choose to tape this, stitch it up a little, or hold it in place with a safety pin. But if we turn it around, there's no reason for anybody to suspect anything from this bunny right here. It's really cute. It's meant for Easter, so it's very appropriate for class. So now guys, keep it on your desk, and when you guys get hungry, just flip them over and dig in there. You will find your cotton candy right away. See guys? I'll take a pinch of it and it melts right in your mouth thanks to this fluffy bunny right here. When I saw this cup full of paper clips, I knew I just had to get it guys. It looks so cool. The paper clips are purple and so is the top of this cup. And you would normally find this at an office, but most office supplies happen to be school supplies as well, so you can get away with having these in class. See, I could easily just shake it and take out as many paper clips as I want. But guys, there's so much space in here, as you guys can see. I don't just necessarily have to put paper clips in there. I can use this cup as a compartment to store some snacks or chips or candy or whatever I want. And that's what I'm gonna do. And to do that, I'm gonna twist off the top, set the paper clips aside, and take a few paper clips, for example this one right here, and I'm gonna tape it inside the cup. As you see right here, guys, it's gonna be stuck on there, and of course I'll be using clear tape for that, and it should stick on pretty well. So you guys, and I'm gonna do that to a few other paper clips till I've not necessarily covered the whole thing, but it should tell whoever sees this cup that this is full of paper clips. See guys, I got my paper clips on there, but here's how we're gonna cover our tracks before we place our snacks in there. Take a flashcard and put it inside, kind of rolled up a little so it fits in, and then it should expand while it's inside. So I'm gonna do that with one, and then I'm gonna take another one for the other side so that it completely covers our view of the inside of this cup. See guys, we can't even see inside anymore, right? And that's a good thing, because we don't want our teachers knowing that we have a snack in there. And I will secure this on with some tape. All right, it's ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up with some hot Cheetos shots. And I don't know if you guys have tried these, but these are new, or I'm pretty sure they've been around before. They went away and I guess they're back. They used to come in a cup and now they come in a bag. See guys, there they are. They're small little balls, and of course they got that hot Cheeto flavor. So I'm gonna dump them in there. As many as I can fit in there. This amount will work. It's pretty much all of them anyway. So now I'll just put the top on, and that's it. Now you can have this on your desk, and see guys, if you look from the side, you can tell that it's nothing but paper clips in there, even though you can't really see the actual inside of this cup. The bottom, you can see the hot Cheetos there, but nobody looks at the bottom. As far as the top, you'll have easy access to them. Just shake the cup and you'll have your hot Cheetos. Now, if you want to be smart, you can cover the top with a little note card. It doesn't matter, just keep it on top so your teacher doesn't see it. When you guys get hungry, all you gotta do is reach in and get some hot Cheetos. See? Wow, they're really good. If you ask me, this is a good deal. If you go to the dollar store and you're looking for a sharpener, well, you find a pack of 2 for $1. That is a steal right there, guys. And these come in 2 different colors, a pink one and a blue one. And unfortunately, these are see-through, but that's okay. We know how to deal with see-through containers. So let me pop this out for you. See, look at that. Plenty of room in there. This is where you would normally drop the pencil shavings. We're not gonna use it to sharpen our pencil. We're gonna use this to store some candy. So here's how you prep it, guys. If you want to do this to both sharpeners, that way you have more candy available, you can. But I'm going to show you with the blue one. Pop it out, and to take care of the see-through issue, we'll do what we just did with the cup of paper clips. We'll take a flashcard, we'll cut it to size so that it completely covers the container, just like that, and then probably a piece right here. Okay, that is perfect. See, that works for me. Now I'm gonna take my candy, fill it up just a little. Make sure to have enough room for the actual sharpener. That way it fits in. And see, that works. Now I'm gonna do the same to this pink one. And that's it, guys. See? Can't even tell that there's anything wrong with this. And there you guys have it. 2 sharpeners that you would think are sharpeners. And they actually are, but not for us. They contain our candy. See guys? Plenty of candy in there. One of the very first items when I arrived at the dollar store was this right here, guys. This is a pocket chart. And maybe some students might not use these, but I know a lot of teachers do. But if you were to get caught with one of these, since it is a school supply, it doesn't really matter because you can get away with it by having it in class. Now, I know a lot of you guys still don't know what a pocket chart is, so let me take it out for you. So this happens to be green, which is one of my favorite colors. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys. And if you guys noticed, it was folded in 4 sides. On the ends, it's got 2 holes, which is what is used to hang these on the wall. As far as the 4 sides that I said this was divided into, these are actually pockets, guys, and they're see-through. For example, some teachers would let their students know what this pocket chart is about, and they would do that by putting labels on them. For example, this one right here, it says homework. Now below you could label it anything you want. Let me give you guys an example. I got a flashcard right here, and let's say the subject here is history. I would take it and slide it inside one of the pockets. And I would do the same with the other pockets. For example, I got reading right here, science, and math. So it looks pretty legit, right guys? If you were to get caught with one of these, nobody would suspect anything. So now, behind each of these labels, we can actually hide some snacks. So let me take out my Poptarts for you guys and show you. So I'm pretty sure that 2 Poptarts would fit in the top pocket. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take 1 Pop-Tart and place it on this side. And don't worry guys, since this is new, it's clean, so it doesn't matter if your food touches or not. See? And now as far as the other pockets, you guys can get creative. For example, I myself am gonna get a Nutri-Grain, well, a knockoff here. I'll cut it so I have easy access to it. See? I can easily slide it out and I'll be able to put it behind one of the labels. See guys? You can't even tell that something's there. So now you roll up your pocket chart and that's it guys. And if you were to get caught, nobody would be able to tell what's behind there. But of course you can easily take out your Nutri-Grain, have a piece, and enjoy. Now put it back before the teacher sees you. Or let's say you skip breakfast. You want some Pop-Tarts. Well, get a piece of your Pop-Tart. It's right behind that pocket. And enjoy. I could even share with a friend. This school supply that I'm about to show you guys, you can't really tell what it is just looking at this square right here, right? Let's look at the label. It's an over-the-chair storage. So, if you have friends in class, you guys can use their chair, if they sit in front of you, to actually store your snacks. So, let me take this out for you guys. And yes, it is purple, but it doesn't matter because these come in different colors. I just happen to pick this one out. And again, I got this at the dollar store. So, if we unfold it, this is the back, and this is the front. So the front has 1, 2, 3 pockets. So it's got 2 small pockets and a really large pouch back here, which you guys can do whatever you guys want with it. It actually looks like a little apron. Anyway guys, the back, you would tuck this onto the backrest of your chair so it stays put. So you would then take your chair storage and fill it up with your favorite snacks. For example, here, I have some hot Cheetos. So all I'm gonna do is open up the bag. So it's ready for me and it's ready to go. I'll tuck it inside the pocket. Here, I have some Doritos. I'll do the same thing, open them up and stash them in the pocket. And if you guys have bigger chips, a bigger bag, you guys can store it in the larger pocket. Since I don't, I'm just gonna take some candy, and these are lemon heads. I'm actually addicted to these right now because these are really good. And those I will also put in the big pocket. Before I show you guys the demo and put this on the chair, you can kind of see that the bag of chips are visible. And that's fine, you guys can leave it as is because your desk would probably hide this, or your body since you're gonna be behind your friend's chair. But if you don't feel comfortable with this being visible, because you can kind of tell that the chips are there, you guys can just put a piece of construction paper over it or under it, as long as it hides the chips. See guys? Now I can hide my chips. Alright, let's take this onto the chair. See guys, there's a bright orange chair and it happens to be my friend's chair, so he won't mind that I put my chair storage behind his chair. And let me show you how. It's very, very simple. See guys? Just leave it like that. And now I'll be behind him. So when I get hungry, all I gotta do is either go in for the Doritos or the hot Cheetos. And maybe I might have a sweet tooth, so I'll go in for the lemon heads. See? No matter what guys, I'll be covered. There you guys have it, some clever ways to easily sneak your favorite snacks and candy into class using cheap school supplies that you can easily get at your local dollar store. And before I wrap up this video, I want to remind you guys about the giveaways I announced earlier in this video. If we get 2,000 likes, I will give away a box filled with snacks to someone from the comments. At 8,000 likes, the winner will get a brand new Nintendo Switch. So if you wish to participate in these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. Best of luck pranksters, I'll see you guys in my next video, thanks for watching.